Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Lutron Caseta with Alexa and SmartThings, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate Lutron Caseta with Alexa and SmartThings, start by ensuring you have the necessary devices. Make sure your Lutron Caseta system is installed and functioning properly. Download the Lutron app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Create an account or log in to your existing Lutron account. Connect your Lutron Caseta devices in the app, following the on-screen prompts. Once all devices are set up, open the SmartThings app. If you haven't already, create a SmartThings account or log in. In the SmartThings app, tap on the plus icon to add a new device. Select Lutron from the list of compatible devices. Follow the prompts to connect your Lutron Caseta devices to SmartThings. Once integration is complete, navigate to the Alexa app. In the Alexa app, tap on the More option located in the bottom right corner. Select Skills and Games from the menu. Search for Lutron in the Skills section. Enable the Lutron skill by tapping on it and then selecting Enable to Use. Log into your Lutron account when prompted to link the accounts. Return to the Alexa app and tap on Devices. Here, you can find all your connected Lutron devices. Test the setup by using voice commands like Alexa, turn on the lights. For added convenience, you can create routines within the Alexa app. Explore additional features through the SmartThings app for automation options. Ensure all firmware is updated for optimal performance. You're now ready to control your Lutron Caseta devices using Alexa and SmartThings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.